Hey everyone, Jake Easter at MarineMax down here in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. Today I'm standing on an absolutely gorgeous 2022 380 Outrage that we have in Abaco Blue. Awesome boat, one of my favorite boats from Boston Whaler. Great fishing boat. Take it out in the Keys, take it to the Bahamas. Great boat. Just want to bring you on board and show you a little bit about it. So now that we're off the tower, coming onto the boat, just notice the dive door on this 380 Outrage. Just easy access straight onto the boat. So come on in. So first off, I just want to point out this boat has quad 300 V8 Mercury Verado outboards. This boat will get up and go. Awesome package to have for such a big boat like this. This boat has a live well, very large live well. Can put 2 different kinds of bait. Big transom seating just for lounging. You have your fish boxes on the port and starboard side. And again, the dive door is perfect for, if you have a big fish that you're reeling in, easy way to just drag the fish in right into your fish box. Also here is the galley. Awesome place, set up food and drinks for everybody on board. Have your sink. And awesome feature here is the Kenyon grill. Kenyon grill will get up to 500 degrees in less than 5 minutes. Great spot to have filet mignon, lobster, whatever it is you want to cook that night or day. And then your tackle storage underneath. Lots of spots just to store stuff, your hooks, all your fishing gear underneath. Also have a little fusion spot to turn your volume up and down, change the song. So now let's make our way to the helm. Just want to point out how wide you have of a walkway, just so you're not bumping into anything. Lots of coverage from the hard top. And I want to point out, it's got a nice size fridge on it, right here on this port side. So come on and take a look at the helm. Looks really, really nice. Got 3 big bolster seats up front. You can just stand them up just so you have something to lean up on, or you can put them down and sit comfortably as you're operating the boat. You have your 2 16-inch Raymarine displays. You have your joystick with sky hook. Nice storage up top. This boat has Fusion stereo, Raymarine VHF, Seakeeper, vessel view. Looks really, really nice up here at the helm. So right beside the helm here is a nice cabin area. So come on, let me show you a little bit about the cabin. Now here in the cabin, perfect spot to get out of the hot summer heat down here in Florida. Good place to just sit and hang out, get in the AC. Got a little fold up table. You can set up a little food and a couple of drinks. You can also fold it out and make it a nice sized bed. Fits 2 people very comfortably. Nice teak flooring down here. Have rod holders. Got a couple vents for some light to shine in. And have a nice sink. Really set up really clean. And it has a really large head in here as well. And I'll let Kristen walk down in here and show you a little bit of that. Looks really nice. Vacuum flush. Got your shower in here. A lot of space. Stand up very comfortably in there, change clothes, whatever it is. Now let's take it up to the bow, show you a little bit about this up front. A lot of walking space again. Trolling seat right here, folds out. And first off, just straight when you're walking toward the bow, look at the sun pad on this. Really good spot to sit out and get some sun. This boat has a lot of storage underneath. Good place to put some buckets, your fishing gear, your covers for your seats, all that kind of good stuff. And then check out the U-shaped seating on this boat. A lot of space to just sit down and hang out. This table actually goes up and down. You can put it as a filler, or you can take the top off and it becomes into a nice teak table. Set up food and drinks out here as well. And this boat does have a windlass and a big platform up front, so if you want to fish off the front of the boat, you can do that. So next I want to show you guys, this boat has a nice tower up top, so I'll meet you guys up there. So now that we're up here in the tower, everything that you can do on the helm, you can do up top on this tower. Have your joystick, sky hook, everything that I said below. Just have a 12-inch Raymarine display. You have your VHF radio, big double bolster seat up here as well. Lots of views, so if you're parking or docking this boat, very easy to do it from up here as well. This is Jake Easter from MarineMax down here in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. And this is our 2022 380 Outrage. Beautiful boat, one of my favorites. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any boats we have, please come in, call us. We'd be glad to help. See y'all.